맛있다. So delicious.好吃. Hello everybody. Welcome to Babsi Home Cooking channel. Today I will make this chicken stew. Do you know Korean name 닭도리탕? Do you know chicken is a Korean name 닭 and the 닭도리탕. Tang is a kind of stew or soup, do you know? So I will make it today, and then it's very, very fantastic. And then most of Korean people like this 닭도리탕. It's a little bit, we need a little bit spicy, and we put this one, yes. And then now I will introduce the ingredients. This onion and this green onion, and this red pepper, and water, and carrot, and potato. Do you know it's in front of a camera? Sometimes I forgot. Do you know, like a stupid? Yes, and oil and soybean sauce, and the salt, and the garlic, water, and sugar, and a little bit this red. Again, I don't remember. Red this. Yes, and then now, you know, normally this all put together they cook, you know, but I will be fry, all put together, you know, fry. Yes, now I will make, you know, this one of my friend, of course, he is Vietnam fishing channel. I like his program very much, do you know? And he said, he looked at my channel and said, Babsi, you are very so funny, you know? Yes, and then he is Vietnam but live in America, California, you know, I think so, you know. So now I will introduce, already finished, I will make now. First put a little bit oil, just a little, because chicken has itself have oil, you know. Nice, yes. Fry, little bit fry. Korean people like so much 닭도리탕. Do you know Korean language? 닭 is chicken. Yeah, 닭도리탕. You know, it's very delicious. Many people like so much. When we make this, we make this, you know, sauce. And a little bit put this one, and then little bit put salt, little, yes. And then we put paprika put many, maybe put 3 spoons. And the garlic, big 2 spoons. And then this small spoon, 2 sugar. And then we mix. Wow, this noise like a raining day. You know, this sauce is very important. Nice smell already, huh? Very nice. Let's put the sauce. Yes, this much. Oh, maybe this much enough. Very good cooker. Babsi home cooking, very good cooker. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Already very nice smell. Very nice. We put water? Yes, very nice. Now it's quiet. And from now we have to close this cap and boil. Do you know? Now I put this green onion because this green onion like this is very nice. Very nice. Yes. Yes, nearly 30 minutes later. Yes. Wow, looks very, very delicious. It's amazing, this smell. Huh? Very nice. Oh, very nice. You know, this leg is like this. You can see leg bone, and then we already this cooked. Very nice. Onion and potato, carrot. Ready! Looks very delicious.